this is my skincare routine. Okay, so I've actually washed my face with hotel shower gel because I lost my face wash at the airport, and I've been using this for a few days now, and my face has been so clear, the clearest it has been in a few months. So this is shower gel. I usually do 2 cleanses with my normal face wash, but this one wash is okay, because it can get too dry, right? Okay, then I have these 2 products. I do this one first. Okay, I already put this on, that's why I'm not putting on. This is a cucumber nourishing facial serum. Both of these things I got in TK Maxx in Australia. They're not name brands, I just felt like they were cool. Serum. This is to replace my hyaluronic acid from Inculus because I couldn't find that in Australia. And this one is okay as well, but I prefer hyaluronic acid from the Inculus. And then this one is an emulsion. So this one, as you can see, it's like a gel, and it's not like a cream. For my skin, I much prefer a gel like this, okay? I've already put this on. I make sure, some days I like to do like 2 layers, and some days 1 is enough, okay? I've already done it. The thing about this one, unlike a moisturizer, like a lotion, it doesn't feel too heavy. Okay, I hate feeling like clammy and heavy. See, it's not sticky, it does not feel sticky. That's the main thing for me. Okay, then I'm going to do my brows. And where's my brow pencil? Okay, so to do my brows, this brow pencil, also my eyeliner, both of these are from Miniso. Both of these are from Miniso. It's like really cheap products. This is like 15 Chinese yuan, 15, okay? That is really cheap. If you look it up, it's really cheap. And this one, I don't know, 9 probably Chinese dollars, anyways, it doesn't matter. This color, this shade is actually not black, I don't think. It's kind of like gray. And I kind of just draw it in. Like, I just fill it in. I already have eyebrows before, you know? So I kind of just make it a little darker, especially in the corners here. I don't really do much over here because I don't want it to look too harsh. So I focus more on the midsections and the outer. I kind of go like that. Okay, cool. That's done. Sometimes I don't even like feather it out because it's so like, it's like it doesn't even work. I think it's just something in my brain that I feel like I have to, do this, okay? Okay, so next I go with my eyeliner, okay? And the good thing about this is it's a felt tip, and it has a thick side, as you can see, and it has a skinny side. It doesn't matter which side I use, but I draw it out, and this is how I do it. I'm gonna use this. So basically I start in the corner here and of my eye, and I draw it out to kind of like my tip towards that direction, and depending on how feisty I feel in that day, it depends on how high I draw it. And I actually do the same one. And then I start from the end tip and I drag it in. Drag that bitch in. And then start from the corner very lightly, not too thick, and I start connecting it. Oh no, it's a bit wonk, this one. It's okay. Fill it in. There you go, fixed it. Fill it in. And now let it dry a bit, especially if you have like smaller eyelids like me. You need to let it dry, or else if you open, it'll get stuck. I don't know if I feel like that's a good shape. But anyways, I'm gonna try to replicate it on this side. And the lighting's a bit off, so I'm gonna look in the mirror, but that lighting is off too because the shadows coming from Do I need to open my mouth when I do this? No. fill it in. Look down, look down. Fan it, fan it, fan it. And then give it a check. And then if it's like a bit too much, then I use my fingers to try to like even it out. Or I use a piece of Q-tip. Okay, now I've taken away too much. I've taken away too much. I usually do this in front of the bathroom mirror so I get an even lighting across both eyes. But obviously, this doesn't have to work today because I don't have a tripod. So there you go. That's the eyeliner done. Oh, see, that's what happens if you don't let it dry. Okay, no worries though, girl. You can just wipe it off with water, or if not, get some Vaseline and just with a Q-tip and take it all off. Not all off, but take off what's bothering you. Now, speaking of Vaseline, I use Vaseline on my lips. So let me moisturize my lips. Sorry if my lips were looking a little crusty when I came a little close up. I should have moisturized my lips first. Okay, so then I have one more step before the end of things. It's my blush, and I'm using this. This is also from Miniso, girl. Miniso? Yeah, Miniso. Not Uniqlo. This is from Miniso. This brush I actually stole from my sister. She got this like back in the day when she started makeup, like her like 20, I don't know, 18. This is like from Shein, Temu, one of those things. I was like really cheap and get a whole set of brushes when she was starting to learn makeup. So I just stole one of this from her from years back, and I've been using it since. I actually used this for like my hair one time, like corn flour, starch, or things like that, to try a DIY shampoo, but dry shampoo. Like, it was so odd. This brush has worked really well, even though it's so cheap. Anyways, this is the shade. This was the only shade. Yeah, I usually prefer a more tan shade because my skin is a bit darker, but this is the only one available, so that's why I use it. And then I put it here, you know, where you naturally blush, like that, okay? And then maybe on the other side too, because, you know, don't want to look too weird. Okay, and that's it. That's literally my makeup. And now you probably recognize me. Before you probably didn't recognize me, but now I do. And I do this makeup every day, almost, because, yeah, I mean, it's literally not a lot. It's just eyebrow, eyeliner, and blush. And then this I do regardless. And yeah, this is my thing. I hope you learned something about me. This is a new addition to the family recently, by Satyan Body Series. But before I was using a foaming face wash, also from TK Maxx. So yeah, I don't look at brand names except for the Inculus. I really like that one. And Vaseline, if you want to call that brand name. She's going bougie with her Vaseline. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.